Welcome.
To the Great Library Bake Off.
For your technical challenge,
You'll all be using the same recipe to create 12 identical chocolate cupcakes.
The instructions are
vague.
We can't stop you from Googling for help, of course, but we hope you'll use this challenge as a way to test your baking know-how.
substitutions are allowed for food allergies and such, but the recipe you use must be the one we provide.
For judging purposes, please submit photos of both a whole cupcake and one cut in half to show texture.
Like last time, the instructions for submitting your chocolatey creations
Are in the post.
Along with the recipe. You have 2 weeks to complete your technical challenge.
on your mark. Get set.
Bake!
Bake!
Bake.